Hi students, welcome to second standard maths class. In previous week what we did, we wrote the half-yearly exams. Okay, we wrote the half-yearly exams. I hope all are wrote the exams very well. Okay. Today we are going to learn the topic addition with carry over. Okay, I already taught the addition sum with carry over. It is very important to you, so I will teach again the addition with carry over sums. Okay, listen carefully. It is very important for you. It is very useful for your higher class. Okay, so listen carefully. Today topic is addition with carry over. You already know addition with normal addition sums. Okay, once I teach the addition with the carry over. Okay, today I am going to teach the addition with carry over sum once again. Okay, so listen carefully. See the first sum. What is the first sum? 24 and 17. You have to add these two numbers. Okay, in addition, what is the first step? First you consider the ones column. This is called ones column. Okay, first you add this ones column. Okay, add this ones column, put 4 in your mind and 7 in the finger. 7 in the finger. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, 11. What's the answer? 11 is the answer. 11 is the answer. If the answer is one digit number means you put the answer in ones place column, but the answer is 2 digit. Today the answer is 2 digit. The answer is 2 digits. So we consider the ones place answer in ones column and put another number in next term, the tens column. Okay, and add this three numbers. Okay, first consider the answer is 2 digit. So you put the first number ones column answer in ones column answer place. Okay, then put this one number in tens place. Okay, and add this three numbers. Okay, and add this three numbers, you get the total. The total is the answer of the sum. Okay, listen. First add these two numbers, 1 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 1 after 2, 3. 1 after 2, 3. Put 3 in the middle of these two numbers. Okay, then add 3 in the mind, 1 in the finger, 3 after 4. 3 after 4. Write 4 in tens column answer place. Okay, this is called tens column. First add the ones column. If the answer is 2 digit means put a 1 digit number in ones answer column place and put the tens place in tens column. Okay, and add these three numbers, you get the total is the answer. Okay, this is the addition with carry over sums. Okay, it is very important, so you have to clear about the carry over sums. Okay, next see the second sum, 38, 24. You have to add these two numbers. You have to add these two numbers. First consider the ones column and put 8 in your mind, 4 in the finger. 8 after what? 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, the answer is 2 digits. So put the ones place answer in ones column place and carry over the 1 in the next term, tens column. Okay, tens column. You should write the carry over. Okay, this is very important. You should write the carry over. Okay, one of you did not write the carry over, so you write the carry over in top of the tens column. Okay, and add these two numbers, 1 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 1 after 2, 3, 4. Put 4 in middle of these two numbers and add these two numbers, another two numbers, 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 4 after 5, 6. 4 after 5, 6, 62. This is called the total. The total is the answer. Okay, next the third sum. You have to add this two numbers, 59 and 13. Okay, first consider the ones column and next consider the tens column. First consider the ones column, put 9 in your mind and 3 in the finger. 9 after 10, 11, 12. Okay, the answer is 2 digit. The answer is 2 digits, so write the ones plus answer in ones column. Okay, next keep the another tens number in tens column. Keep the top of the tens column and add these two numbers. First add the carry over and the first number. Okay, 1 in the mind, 5 in the finger. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put 6 in middle of these two numbers, given two numbers, and add 6 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 6 after 7. Okay, 7. This is called the total. The total is the answer. Okay, this is the carryover sum. It is very important, it is very easy also. Okay, I hope all are clear about the carryover sums with addition. Okay, next I will give the homework for you. Next I will give the homework for you. Okay, today homework is do the sums. Okay, do the sums. You have to do these 6 sums. Okay, addition with the carryover. Okay, this is the homework for you. You have to write the answer for this 6 sums. Okay, write the answer for this 6 sums. Okay, I hope all are very clear about addition with the carryover sums. This is the homework for you. I hope all are very clear about that. Okay, very clear about that. Okay, this is your today homework. Okay, I hope all are clear about that. Okay, this is the today homework for you. So write the homework neatly and do the sums correctly. Okay, thank you.